Feeling lost in the maze of managing your money? Let's unlock a smarter way to handle your finances and discover how Albert app can be your personalized financial guide. First, what exactly is Albert? Albert is a financial planning and investment tool designed to help you save, invest, and manage your money, all from your smartphone. Think of it as a financial advisor in your pocket. One of Albert's key features is its automated savings. The app analyzes your income and spending habits, then automatically transfers small amounts of money into your savings account. This set it and forget it approach makes saving effortless. Ready to grow your wealth? Albert also offers investment opportunities, allowing you to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and ETFs. The app even provides personalized investment recommendations based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Need expert advice? Albert's Genius feature connects you with human financial advisors who can answer your questions, provide personalized guidance, and help you create a financial plan tailored to your specific needs. Stay on top of your spending with Albert's budgeting tools. The app automatically categorizes your transactions, providing clear insights into where your money is going. This helps you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. So, if you're looking for a simple, effective, and personalized way to manage your money, give Albert app a try. Take control of your financial future today.